Hi guys, it's me again, Yantra from Ubud Community Channel. How are you? So, I believe you have heard that in Bali we have so many different ceremonies, guys. And some of them are small and some of them are big too. So today I'd love to share with you one of the small ceremonies that we have that we usually do at home in the morning after we've just finished our cooking. So if you're interested to know more about this, please stay tuned here at Ubud Community Channel. We'll share it to you guys. Most families in Bali will start their cooking quite early morning around 6 a.m. or about the time when the sun rises at the east. And some of the people are still using a traditional wood fire stove to cook the food, which is also believed to make the taste of the food much better. The firewood they use mainly came from branch of dead trees or the scraps from doing the wood carvings. Rice is steamed as main food, and the family will also prepare other side dishes to accompany the rice with, for example like jackfruit soup. Some different sorts of spices are chosen and mashed up on the mutton pestle to turn them into paste for the seasoning of other side dishes. On the other hand, other members of the family will sweep the house yard by using spine broom. Other side dish that the family will not miss to make is sambal goreng, which is mix of shallots and chilies and shrimp paste and fried together. Once all side dishes and rice are ready, then the family will start making the offerings, which is called Banten Saiban. Since this offering or Banten Saiban is very little and very simple, so the family will just get some banana leaves for the base, and then the banana leaf will be splitted, cut into some small squares, and the next one they will be laid on a tray, and the family will start putting the things that they cook for the day, like rice and other side dishes. And the last one, the family will not forget to sprinkle some salt on the offerings as well. There are 5 places where these offerings will be offered by the family, and these 5 places are believed to be representing the 5 elements that make up the nature and human body, which are known as Pancha Mahabhuta. The first element is Akasa, or the ether, which is represented by the shrines that we have in our family temple. And the second element is Pratiwi, or the earth, which is symbolized by the area outside of our entrance gate into the compound. And the third is Apa, or water, which is symbolized by the well, or the place where the source of the water coming from. And the fourth element is Teja, or fire, which is symbolized by the stoves that we have in the kitchen. And the last or the fifth element is Bayu, or air, which is symbolized by places where we keep the stock of the rice. Just like granary are known as Lumbung, and then Pulu, or the place where we keep the stock of the uncooked rice. And the last one is the Sokasi, or the place where we put the steamed rice. Beside those 5 main places, the offering Banten Saiban will also be put in some other places within the area of the compound. For example, like the 4 corners of the compound, all houses, all transportations, as well as other places like the pigsty if the family have one. There are some significance of these offerings to the Balinese. One of them is to learn not to be selfish by returning a little bit that's been given to us in this life, especially food, before we start eating it. And then the other thing is we have learned to share the food that we have to other living creatures, because when we put the offerings there and then there are birds, ants or chickens will come and eat the food on the offerings. So guys, that was the ceremony that we have in the morning at home just after we finish our cooking and before eating. So what about you? Do you have similar things like that at home? But if you don't, please do not be worried, guys. You do not need to do exactly the same thing like what we have here. But as long as you remember to be grateful of what you have been given in this life by the God, especially food, that's enough, guys. So thank you for watching and see you again in the next video, guys. Cheers.